What if we lived in a world where we continued to use plastic bags on a daily basis?
Our world has come to rely on plastic bags so much that on a global scale, we consume over 1 million plastic bags in only 1 minute. The average plastic bag is only used for 12 minutes, so you can imagine how much waste that is.
As do many other products, plastic bags also have physical and chemical properties. Some physical properties of plastic bags are flexibility, since it's able to be modified easily, it is light in weight, translucent, comes in various colors, and is water resistant, meaning it is unaffected by water.
The chemical properties of plastic bags are that it photodegrades, meaning when exposed to light rays, in most cases caused by the sun, it degrades into smaller particles, which is even more toxic. It also isn't biodegradable, so it will not decompose back into the earth. The plastic bags we use today are still going to be around long after we're gone.
The production of plastic bags is also very harmful, since they are made from crude oil, which is a non-renewable resource. The extraction of oil from the ground is very invasive and can cause devastating effects on the environment.
Now think about how many plastic bags are produced yearly. It is estimated that 500 billion to 1 trillion bags are consumed all around the world, and more than a billion end up in landfills.
According to the plastic industry, an average plastic bag only costs a penny to produce. That means that the plastic industry spends billions of dollars on the production of plastic bags. That's over $10 billion just for them to end up in a landfill.
And it's still very harmful when placed in these landfills. They can take up a lot of space, and due to their light weight, they can easily be blown away to litter parks, trees, our waterways, and harm animal life.
Not only that, but it takes hundreds of years for it to degrade. If plastic bags were around in the 1600s, many of them would still be around to this day. When they do start to degrade, the plastic breaks down into small toxic particles that can leak into our soil and waterways.
The plastic bags that litter our ocean are eaten by marine life. In fact, over 100,000 sea turtles and other marine animals are killed because of plastic bags. Their fins get tangled, so they are unable to swim, or they ingest it mistaking it for food, and unfortunately, they choke to death. More disturbingly, there is 46 times more plastic than available food for marine animals in the ocean.
In addition, the marine life that ingests these dangerous toxins and survive become contaminated with them. Occasionally, we then eat the animals that are contaminated and are at a risk of getting very sick.
But what if there's a solution? Well, the hero to put our plastic bag dilemma at rest are reusable bags. Just one reusable bag can be the equivalent of over 700 plastic bags.
Just like plastic bags, reusable ones also have physical and chemical properties. Some of these physical properties include durability, since reusable bags are typically made out of cotton, which are immensely stronger than those made out of plastic. It also comes in various colors and designs. It is flexible and water absorbent.
The chemical properties include being biodegradable and combustible. Reusable bags can be biodegradable since a large percentage of reusable bags are made out of 100% cotton. This results in the bag being able to degrade significantly faster than a plastic one.
There are many ways to why the general public should convert to strictly using reusable bags. To begin, it is much more durable than the average plastic bag. One reusable bag can be used for hundreds of trips to the grocery store, while the average plastic bag is only used for one.
Another reason why you should make the switch is that it can save you tons of money. Nowadays, grocery stores charge around 10 cents per bag. Eventually, over time, you can reduce your expenses by simply using reusable bags instead. This is an easy and cost-effective way to save money.
Also, by switching to reusable bags, you will be instinctively saving marine life. Since you will be reducing your plastic bag consumption, you're going to be reducing the number of plastic bags in the ocean. And who wouldn't want to save the cute dolphins, whales, and other marine life?
In addition, this will also help clear out the number of plastic bags in our waterways. Around 90% of all garbage in the ocean is made of plastic, which would include plastic bags. And they are also found in almost all coastal cleanups. Reducing the amount of plastic bags you use can help make your beaches and lakes cleaner for your recreational use.
Lastly, we should all make the switch to reusable bags because of how much crude oil is used in the production of plastic bags. It takes approximately 12 billion barrels of oil to produce only 100 billion plastic bags, while on average we produce as much as 1 trillion plastic bags per year. This amount of oil causes detrimental effects to the environment and contributes towards global warming because of the amount of the emissions and other factors.
Making the simple switch to reusable bags is directly related to green chemistry. This is because one of the core ideas to green chemistry is about green products, which includes minimizing waste and using biodegradable products. Reusable bags reduce waste by lowering the number of plastic bags used since we're using reusable bags instead. It also is a biodegradable product since it can be made through 100% cotton.
One of the easiest ways we can help save our planet is by making the simple switch to reusable bags. This can ensure a clean and sustainable environment for your kids in the future. But the only way this can happen depends on you. You have to be the change. One person makes a big difference. Now imagine if 2 people change. Now 3, 4, 5, and so on. You have to be the change you want to see in the world.
Help us change the future. Help us stomp out the use of plastic bags. Go green by using reusable bags. Thank you for listening to our presentation. We hope you've learned a lot from this, and we hope you be the change in this world.